got the KFC. The KFC chicken nuggets that I've been seeing everybody talk about. So I got the meal, right? It comes with a biscuit, a regular biscuit. But the nuggets, let's see. This is what it comes in, this little box. Look at it. Let's see. This is the nugget. And it comes with fries. The KFC sauce, I don't know what it tastes like. Alright, so here's the KFC sauce, dipping sauce. Here's the nugget. Let me try it without the sauce first. It was good. It tastes like the chicken, the original chicken, but in a nugget form. I'm gonna try it with this KFC sauce. Oh Lord. There's mustard in here because I don't like mustard. I taste it. There's also ketchup in here. Okay, so I give these nuggets a 10 out of 10. And let's try the fries by itself. It's good. It tastes like the wedge, but in a fry form. I love it. Okay. The sauce is starting to grow on me, y'all. But I like it. Oh my God. Spirit finger. Their Pepsi. This is their cup. It's hitting. It's hitting. Pepsi always hit. Everything 10 out of 10. Ain't no biscuit like KFC biscuit. Even better when you add jelly. See you on the next video.